Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how to make a car badge spinning effect easy in After Effects. Let's duplicate your clip and then select bottom one and rename it to original and toggle it off. Select top layer and rename it to clean. Now we have to remove the badge from a car. To remove we should mask it at first, and to mask I will use Mocha AE. In Mocha select a pen tool and simply mask the badge. Mask shouldn't be perfect. Once you are done, enable perspective and then hit on tracking button. As the tracking is done, click on Save and close Mocha AE. Expand Matte now and click on Create AE Masks. Press M on your keyboard and change mask mode to subtract. Go to Content Aware Fill tab now and change Fill Method to Edge Blend and then hit on Generate Fill Layer. Wait until it's analyzing and the badge is fully removed. Once it's done, check the video if everything is perfect, and once are you satisfied we can make a spinning effect. Duplicate your original clip and move it above fill layer. Rename it to logo or whatever you want and then toggle it on. We have to mask out the badge of the car. I will use Roto Brush tool to make a smooth mask. In your case, if it's a BMW or Mercedes-Benz or other car that has an oval badge, you can use Mocha AE. But in my case, car's badge is a logo of King of Carbon Fiber, so I will use Roto Brush to rotoscope the letters as smooth as possible. If you use Roto Brush like in my case, after a selection make sure to click on Freeze button. As the freezing is done, go back to Composition. Now make sure to double click on Anchor Point tool and move the anchor point to the center of the logo. Now open your logo layers transform settings and click on anchor point and position stopwatch icons. Go frame by frame forward and make sure to correct the anchor point. Keep it centered till the end of the clip. Once you are done, scroll to the moment where you want spinning to start from and press R on your keyboard to open rotation and click on rotation stopwatch icon. Then go a few frames forward and change rotation to 1 time, or you can set it to 3 for example, and the logo will rotate 3 times. Let's quickly check the effect. Nice, but now let's adjust it a bit and we are done. Let's select both keyframes and press F9 on your keyboard to ease them. Then go to Graph Editor and make a smooth curve. That's better. Lastly, enable motion blur on logo layer and we are ready to go. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.